Hello and welcome to our instructional video on how to reduce the rational expression x squared minus 4x minus 21 all over x plus 3 to its lowest terms. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of simplifying this rational expression. Let's dive in and get started. To begin reducing the rational expression x squared minus 4x minus 21 divided by x plus 3 to its lowest terms, we need to factor the polynomial in the numerator. The numerator is x squared minus 4x minus 21. The goal is to express the quadratic polynomial in the numerator as a product of two binomials. Recall that for a quadratic expression in the form of x squared plus bx plus c, we look for two numbers that multiply to c and add up to b. In our case, b is minus 4 and c is minus 21. We need to find two numbers that multiply to minus 21 and add up to minus 4. These numbers are minus 7 and 3. This means we can rewrite x squared minus 4x minus 21 as x plus 3 times x minus 7. So now the rational expression x squared minus 4x minus 21 divided by x plus 3 becomes x plus 3 times x minus 7 divided by x plus 3. Now, our rational expression has changed to x plus 3 times x minus 7 divided by x plus 3. Notice that in the numerator and the denominator, we have a common factor, which is x plus 3. Because we have the same term in both the numerator and the denominator, we can cancel them out. Canceling common factors in a fraction simplifies the expression. So, we cancel x plus 3 in the numerator and x plus 3 in the denominator. After canceling, what we have left is x minus 7. Therefore, the simplified form of the rational expression is x minus 7. This is the final step, and the expression x squared minus 4x minus 21 divided by x plus 3 simplifies to just x minus 7.